Cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis, right? At least that's what everybody told us growing up, but it's actually not true. Let me show you what's really happening. Now, inside of every joint, you have something called synovial fluid. It's a lubricant that keeps the joints moving smoothly. When you crack your knuckles, you create a pressure difference, and a bunch of nitrogen gas bubbles inside of the joint can escape. So that popping sound, it's just air. It's not bone, and it's definitely not cartilage breaking down. Now, there was actually a doctor, Donald Unger, who for 60 years, every day, cracked the knuckles on his left hand, never his right. And at the end, zero difference in arthritis between both hands. Now, here's where I have to be honest with you as a chiropractor. You're not causing arthritis by cracking your knuckles, but if you're forcefully and repeatedly putting them into that position, you can cause stress to the soft tissues around the joint. So I wouldn't recommend making a habit. But next time somebody tells you to stop because of arthritis, let them know the science disagrees. Save this so you have all the receipts.